MMTs. It's still earnings. It's Thursday. Today's date is 1/20 of 2011. The time is 12:22 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, here's the intraday low count. We got Google's in there today. It reports earnings. Travel Zoo is in there. We got lots of things in this intraday low list. FFIB, Netflix, everything that we're short is about in here. Baidu, Joy Global, Wynn Resorts, all of these overbought stocks are extremely Crude leading the way again. The loser list, you can see the amount of losers, and we take a look at these losers. So basically, we are losing in a lot of areas of the market, just like we said about a market top. One of the things that we are going to do is the percent losers in the broader part of the market. They're pretty big losers, man, across the board. And the earnings have been good, and they've been slamming these stocks down. So when we take a look at the U.S. indices, they're all got a pretty good haircut and a shakeout. It's the beginning stages of a market top. One of the things that we're going to also look at here briefly is what the sector indices are doing across the board, so you know where the strength and the weakness is. So we'll do that on the next video. And I have that loaded up down there. And one of the things that we're also going to look at is on the listed stocks for MMTs. Under listed stocks, we're going to go to the NYSE, to the primary session. We're going to take a look at the losers, percent losers over here. And there's a lot of big haircuts on today's move down. So the markets, when you look at percent gainers, you still have some gainers in here. So there's a healthy list of gainers, and you can see where some of the money is going into and what kind of names are here, because we're always looking for opportunities out of here, MMTs, and we always find them. And then we throw them in our own platform and we start trading them. So basically, we do have some pretty good gainers there. And we have some pretty good losers, though, too, on the NYSE. That's what it looks like going into the last half an hour of closing bell. So the percent gainers that were on the NASDAQ, you do have some gainers here. On some NASDAQ stocks, Sears Holding is up, eBay is up, percent change-wise. Some stocks have been rewarded well, but it's been a bloodbath for the bulls in these earnings so far. And we're only in the first major week. So we do have some bright spots here to be looking at as far as some opportunities. Some of these are very small stocks. Some of them have gap ups. PRGO, $1.75. Sears Holdings, we trade those. eBay had a good earnings report last night. So that's the gainers, both NASDAQ and both NYSE. So therefore, Google is up on board. The broader market, they have slid the bid in lots of different names, so the short side is working wonderful. And the short side of the market, and we're going to be covering those Google's earnings.